Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF to ChatGPT using your laptop. It's quick, easy, and in just a few clicks, you will be able to ask ChatGPT questions about your PDF. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and click on the plus button. So you can see here, add photos and files. Click on this. So you can choose a PDF, like I'll choose this. Wait for a few seconds until the file finishes uploading. Once it is attached, you can type your questions. Okay. So first I will ask, summarize the PDF of science lesson number 1. So I have taken a Science 1 PDF for the 10th standard, and I'll ask the ChatGPT to summarize the PDF of science lesson number 1. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see the summarization of the first chapter is given. Okay, you can ask many other questions also. Like for example, you can ask, explain in simple language. Explain in simple language. So you will get a simple explanation as if you are learning for the first time. Okay. Now, you can also create short study notes. Let's see. See, these are the short study notes. In short, important formulas, important topics, everything is covered. Now, list the main points. Let's see. These are the main points of this lesson. So it becomes very easy to revise. Also, you can generate quiz questions. Let's see. These are the multiple choice questions. Okay, fill-ups, everything is there. True or false, short answers, numerical, challenging questions. Also, you can answer questions, based on PDF. These are the questions they have asked one by one based on this lesson, first chapter. And that's it. Uploading a PDF to ChatGPT is that easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.